Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. My name is Lisa Graves and today I'm going to show you how to achieve these pop art nails. Okay, so the colours I'm using for this set are Matcha, Carambola, Mimosa, Oops, Miami Beach, Glastonbury Nights, Little Lilac, and Summer Sky. So just to speed things up, I've already finished these nails, but I'm going to show you how to do this set, showing you on these two nails. So I've already laid down 2 coats of my colours, which were Mimosa and Oops. They have just got a little bit of dust on them, so I'm just going to wipe over them with my gel residue wipe off solution. Okay, so using some Serious Black and my 003 brush, which is a fine liner, I'm just going to pop some of the black on the back of my nail. So I'm just going to load my brush up and we need to outline this nail. Now the good thing about this pop art style is that it doesn't have to be perfect, so don't panic if it's not. So I always start up at the cuticle and I'm going to bring that down this side all the way down. And repeat the same around this side. I'm going to scoop this round as I come down the nail. So we're just kind of framing the orange. Okay, when you're happy, I'm just going to give that a flash cure and then I can carry on with the other one. Okay, repeat the same process on this nail. Again, starting up at the top, get as close to that cuticle as you can, bringing that down the side and then swooping it. Okay, when you're happy, that can go in for a full cure. So I'm going to be using Snow White now. I'm also going to be using the dotting tool end of the crystal picker. With my brush first, I'm going to load it up and I need to make sure like I've got a blob on the end like that. So using that blob, I'm going to press down and then very gently just come around the side like that. And then just using the dotting tool, I'm just going to perfect the top of this to make it more blobby. Big old blobby blob at the bottom. Like that. Okay, so same again on this one. Bit of a blob coming all the way down that side, tapering off quite thin. Back in again with the dotting tool if you need to, just to perfect the top of that. And then a dot at the bottom, like that. So that can go into the lamp for a full cure now. So I'm going to top coat these 2 nails now. And then they can go in for a full cure. Okay, and then with these, I'm just going to buff that shine off. So you can use the matte top coat if you do have it. If not, just use your normal top coat and then buff away the shine. Okay, so once you have finished buffing, we can wipe over these nails with gel residue wipe off solution. This will just get rid of any of those last little bits of dust. And anytime you're doing matte nails or if you're buffing your nails for a matte finish, I recommend you're very, very careful when putting your cuticle oil on. Yeah, do your best to keep it off the nail because it will make the nail go shiny. So and then when you're rubbing it in as well, rub it away from the nail so that you don't end up with it on the gel polish because it will just shine right up. So here are the finished nails. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and all the links to the products used will be in the description box below. Thanks!